Hey guys, it's Emmanuel here, the Enthusiastic Coder, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make an LED turn on and off. So when we press a button, it'll turn the LED off, but when we leave it, the LED will stay on. So let's get into the video. Also, if you didn't know already, this is the Arduino Basic series, where I basically teach you the very basics of the Arduino in a very short video that's under 10 minutes. But before we get into this video, I just want to say all the videos I do take a lot of time and a lot of effort, so please just like, subscribe, as it really helps my channel out and helps my channel to grow. In electrical engineering, a switch is an electrical component that can disconnect or connect the conducting path in an electrical circuit, interrupting the electric current or diverting it from one conductor to another. Okay, so this is the code for the button. It's extremely simple. You don't actually have to change anything from this code unless you want to change the pins that you're using. So if you want the button pin to be a pin 5 or 7, or if you want the LED pin to be pin 0 or 1, But everything else is the same. And the comments basically tell you everything. It's an LED pin is the output. Remember, it's what you see, it's shining, therefore it's an output. The button pin is an input because you're pressing it to provide something. So basically, when you press it down, it will turn off. Yeah, it will make the LED turn off. And yeah, it says if the button state is high, then the LED will turn on, and if the button state is off or low, it will turn the LED off. So yeah. And yeah, that's the entire video. This was such an awesome project to do. For the longest time, if I'm being completely honest with you, I didn't understand how a button worked. Because I sort of had 4 pins and I was like, what do I do? But it really only is 2 pins, just like a switch. And 1 pin's for the negative, 1 pin's for the positive, obviously. And yeah, I actually learned something. I also hope you guys learned something too. And a sneak peek, this is one of the last videos. I'm not sure completely, but it's either the last or one of the last videos in this series. And the last video in the series is going to be a combination of all the things that I showed so far in this series. So I'm really excited. It's going to be something that just ties everything together. And yeah, so if you liked the video, please like and subscribe if you want to. And remember, have a good day. Peace.